Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you about some Vivo dialer hidden codes for any Vivo device. So let's start the video. First you have to open your dial pad and here you have to enter the first code. The first code is star hash 06 hash. With the help of this code you can easily check your device information like IMEI number without opening your phone settings. So now let's see the second code. So the second code is star hash 558 hash. And here you can see yes, the screen has been opened and here you can test some your engineer test. So let's go for set OQC test and then you have to scan this code and here you can see your phone information. You can test your system hardware and software like radio setting, Bluetooth setting, IMEI settings, RTC time test, phone info, file manager, etc. You can test your complete phone with the help of this code. So let's move on for the third. So you just have to go back, go for dialer section again, and then enter star hash 4636 hash star hash and then star. And here you can get your all phone information. Just tap on phone information and here your all phone information are here. You can easily check your system information or hardware information. Now the second option is usage statics. You just have to tap on it and here you can get some usage statics, that which phone was which app was used on which time. You can easily check the last usage of app and the usage time. So here you can see all the usage time of your apps. You just have to tap on it to sort here the usage time and then select sort by app name. Now go back and then select Wi-Fi information and here you'll get all of your Wi-Fi informations of your phone. So that's was some Vivo dialer hidden codes for any Vivo device. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.